Hello guys, today I want to show you how village people prepare their beans. This is village beans. So guys can see the beans on the fire. Wow, see the beans on the fire. It's already soft and done. And this is the sauce. You can see this palm oil and onion and pepper fry together. Then you pour it inside the beans. Inside the beans here, I put crayfish, Maggi seasoning inside. So I'll now turn the fried pepper and onion inside the beans. Wow, I see it. See it. You pour it, you leave it small before you turn it. You don't want it to mash very well. I see the beans, village beans, very yummy. Wow. As it's there like this, it's set to eat. It's less for you now to mix them together. So you can see palm oil inside, onion, crayfish, and pepper together. You fry them together and pour inside the beans. Before you pour it, allow your beans to done very well. To done very soft. So you like it. It's just a short video that I want to show you guys. That's it. And this is how Yoruba people cook their beans also. They call it ewagoni. They cook their own. So beans have different way to cook. So you can cook it the way you like it. Some cook it dry. Some cook it watery. So like this one now doing watery small. This is what I want. This is what I want it to be. So it's just a short video. Please, if you like this video, please comment, share it, and subscribe to my channel. We meet again in my next video. See you. I love you. Bye.